Hello everybody, this is Sam with Kendall Chevrolet GMC, and today we're taking a look at the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. So the AT4X is GMC's premium off-road vehicle. It comes not only with luxury interior, but it's got premium off-road performance. This one comes with mud terrain tires. It's got a 3-inch lift kit, standard from the factory, helps you miss any of the bumps or rocks you might come across. It's also got skid plates, so if you do come across a big one, it won't hurt the underside of your vehicle. So this one has the Multimatic DSSV dampers. This one actually comes equipped with front and rear differential lockers. It's got rocker protection, so it'll protect your beautiful Summit White paint job from getting any chips or scrapes when you're off-roading. And Baja Drive Mode, so if you ever plan on going out in the sand or the dunes, this one is the vehicle to have. This one comes equipped with a 2.7 liter Turbo Max engine, gets you about 310 horsepower and can tow up to about 7,700 pounds. It's got premium leather on the inside. It comes in obsidian rust. This one's got a 13.4-inch infotainment center. It's got an 11-inch digital driver center and premium sound system from Bose. If you're looking for a premium off-road vehicle, come check out the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. For more information, feel free to subscribe or come down to our showroom floor on Good Pasture Island Road, or check out our website at kendallchevroletgmceugene.com. Kendall, let's start something great.